So today's video, we're gonna see if we can figure out this seat. My seat's been giving me some problems, so we're about to pull the car into the garage. Just moved the ZL1 out, and we are going to see if we can get her in and give a cheap fix for you guys. So yeah. Alright, so like I said, we just moved the SS into the garage, moved the ZL1 out, and we are gonna try to figure out a fix for this. I ordered some stuff off Amazon, and I watched a guy on YouTube. I'll put his video in the description, but I watched a guy on YouTube do what I'm about to do. So we're gonna see if we can try to replicate that. He did it in a Porsche, so I think if he's confident enough to fix it with what I'm about to show you, then I think we can do it in this car. So yeah, let's get to that. Alright, so basically what we have here, I got a couple things for the car, but basically we got, oh, there we go. So this is Alcantara wrap. It's sticky. So we're gonna stick it to the seat on the leather, and then I think I'm gonna try to use this. It's like adhesive, spray-on adhesive. As you can see, spray-on adhesive. So we're gonna use wrap and spray-on adhesive, and then here's a wrapping kit to see if we can knock this out. I just installed these. I got them off Amazon. It's like just a sticker, but I removed my old ones. They were peeling and everything, so yeah, threw those away and got these. They look a lot better, stick a lot better, and go with the color of the car. So yeah. Okay, so basically first part you're going to do is, since these seats are, you know, split obviously so that they can flex, you're going to want to cut either this part first or this part first. So I'm starting with the bottom part. Probably, yeah, just take that off. So I'm gonna start with this bottom part. I already got the piece cut. I left a little bit over so I could shove it back here, just like the guy does in the video. But yeah, I mean, for some reason, I didn't do the measurements, but I thought for some reason this would cover both the seats. It doesn't, so obviously driver's side's gonna only get it this time. That seat is pretty much fine, so this will be the seat that gets it now, and then later on I'll end up buying the wrap for that seat. But it'll be a good temporary fix. So I think I'm gonna get this on. There's not really a way for me to film while I do this, so I'm probably just gonna get this on and then get back to you. Okay, so I got the lip of it on right here. It's down smooth. Obviously it's gonna need to be cut there and there, but I cut this backing off on the front so I could get this down onto here. I think it might have to be tweaked a little bit, but that's how we're gonna do it. And then we'll start peeling this back, and I'm gonna spray it on there. So yeah. Alright, so here's where I'm at right now. I'm getting it pushed into these cracks right here. I didn't even follow my own directions. I probably gonna have to cut a separate piece just for this, because I didn't cut enough. But yeah, so I'm going to basically shift everything into place, get it all nice and tight. I'm gonna use these tools right here to kind of work it into place. See if we can, you know, move this stuff into where it should be. And yeah, I know back here for the most part good. Gonna have to work out some of these little hiccups here, but yeah, just want to make sure we define this line. If I can even find it, it's like right there. Okay, so we got that down. I gotta fix that. Okay. Okay. All right. Getting all this put in together. But yeah, I'll get to you when I start using the knife, and then I'll start cutting, and then we will see what this looks like. But it doesn't look that good on camera. I think it looks pretty good in person. Obviously we'll have to cut it, but yeah, get back to that in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna get to cutting here. If I can get a light on, not even doing any help, but let's see. Probably start with this side. And come back this way. Let's see if we can cut it upwards maybe. Alright, let me put the phone down and I'm gonna hold my hand on this while I cut. Okay, so we're about an hour later than the last time I filmed, but we got this part in. It looks pretty good. Obviously can't do that, but it's all cut. This looks good. Okay, so I got the bottom and the top finished. I messed up here. I mean, I ran out of this stuff, so I had to split it anyways. You can kind of see this right here. So I was going to have to order more anyways, and I already knew this rip was here, so temporarily I just put this piece on because I didn't have a long enough piece for down here to up here, so I had to split a piece in half. So I have this is a piece right here and here, and then it splits off right here at this crease to up here. But I mean, if I were to, I haven't even used the this tool yet, but I mean, for being a cheap fix, cheap temporary fix, I mean, you can see it's already working into that crease right there. But I'm gonna probably order 2 more of this product. Hopefully I get enough to do that seat and this seat. I'm just gonna do the top right here again, so that I can fix this problem right here. But yeah, I would say it did its job. I mean, as a temporary fix until I can afford to buy some ZL1 seats, I think it'll do. I mean, I know it'll do. Looks pretty good to me. Besides that, that's the most noticeable part. But I mean, this section looks real good, real nice, stuck to the seat, looks good. And then here, it's also stuck to the seat after multiple times of pulling this on and off. I mean, that's pretty stuck on there. Haven't even used this adhesive. I didn't even use the adhesive on this. I probably should have, but it's gonna get pulled off anyways. So I mean, for first try, it probably took me like, I don't know, maybe an hour, just because I was trying to take my time. This probably took me like 30 minutes, but this probably took me like 20, just because I was rushing, and I mean, it was already screwed up, so there's no point in really trying. It's just temporary for the temporary, I guess you could say. Right. So I'm gonna put these back in here. Then I also have replacement carpets that I got off of Amazon as well for Camaros. So you can see this one had a hole in it right there. So we'll come over here. Don't mind the car, it's a little dirty. It's the passenger side. That's the driver's side with the foot thing. I mean, I would say that looks pretty good. Obviously, it needs to be vacuumed out. Don't mind that, but I mean, pretty good. Got these things for 35 bucks. Everywhere else wanted around, I think, 100 bucks for floor mats. So for 35 bucks, they look good and they match the SS. So they look really good. Okay, and now for the passenger side. We'll pull these up. Throw them off to the side. And we'll put in our new floor mats. Also matching. But I mean, they look good, man. 35 bucks. I got these for like 10 bucks to replace the nasty old ones that were peeling. So yeah, I mean, 3 new things to fix the interior. You can probably see the feathered edge over there. I need to still poke it in with the thing, but I mean, that still looks good for $20. That's what it did to the seat. So I say mission accomplished for that, because that looks pretty good. Obviously I'm gonna come back with it, and I'll end up doing this seat as well. So I'll probably order like another $40 worth, because this side is also ripping a little. So get another $40 worth and call that a day. But next on the list for the interior is probably gonna be that steering wheel, and then maybe start replacing these all the way, I think, parts, colored parts. Just get rid of that. Not sure what color, but yeah. I mean, if you guys like this video, please subscribe. Definitely be making a lot more videos for this car. But yeah, I will link every product in the description if you guys want them. And I'll see you guys in the next video.